Indesit XWE91483X washing machine. Perfect for medium to small size families. This Indesit washing machine offers simplicity and efficiency. Push and wash makes washing easy. By pushing the feature button for 2 seconds, the machine automatically selects a 30-degree, 50 minutes, mixed wash cycle. To make life easier, it has a fast forward function, a 24-hour delay and a LCD display. In addition, this washing machine has an impressive wash capacity of 9 kilograms, making this washing machine perfect for your family home. Economy features of this Indesit washing machine are: 1. Water balance technology that detects the load size through sensors. 2. Auto adjustment of the amount of water needed for the detected load. These features help this washing machine to achieve an A++ in maximum energy efficiency. Click below to learn more about this product at Amazon.